Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else love me like you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I'm rocking this middle part bust down lace frontal wig from Sunber hair. This was a body wave wig and it was in 26 inches, but I flat ironed it and it's really giving like period. And I'm gonna stand up for y'all to show y'all how late it is. I took my time with this wig. I really like hot combed it and flat ironed it really good, so it's flat and it's cute. I'm just gonna show you guys how I installed and styled this wig. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All the information on this hair will be down in the description. This hair is great quality, y'all. I'm telling y'all, from the lace to the texture, it's given good hair vendor, period. And I did not have to pluck this wig. This wig came pre-plucked, which also made the process very easy for me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. So boom, let's get into the box. And of course, inside the box was the wig. They provided the wig, of course, and they also provided a little goodie bag. And inside the goodie bag was some hair clips, which can definitely come in handy. A hair scarf. I already knew it was a hair scarf, so I didn't even open it. And also some lashes, and of course, it didn't forget the ball cap. So here's the wig. It looks so good, and it smelled actually pretty good. This is a 24-inch 150 density 13x4 lace frontal wig, and I am 100% sure this wig came pre-plucked. I did bleach the knots just because they could have been a little darker, but other than that, the wig came out the box looking very good and very silky. Okay, y'all, so we're about to get ready to install this wig, and this is what the wig is given right now. I just bleached the knots, but I did not pluck this wig because honestly I felt like it was plucked good enough. Like, I didn't even want to mess it up, so I'm like, I'm gonna just leave it. I would give them an A+ on the plucking for sure, because this is considered like pre-plucked, I would say. And I'm gonna say something. Please excuse this right here. I got burnt with a hot comb, and yeah, that's what it looks like, and I'm mad about it, but it's okay. I already did my stocking cap method. Getting right into this install, I tried to do a different way with my install today, and I was gonna glue it with the lace on, but then I changed my mind and I decided to cut the lace off. So right here, I'm just cutting the lace off, making sure I don't leave too much lace, but I don't cut too much off. So at this point, I figured out what I wanted to do. I wanted a bust down middle part straight wig. So I was going ahead and getting the hot comb ready and just hot combing the sides, just, you know, laying everything down. I did not have to pluck this wig. I just plucked me a middle part. But overall, this wig came out the bag looking good. And remember, guys, this wig is from Sunber Hair, and all the information on this wig and links are down in my description. Boom, this is what the wig looked like after I finished flat ironing it. It's giving bust down middle part. That's what I wanted, so that's what I gave. And it's giving very much like yes. So this is what the wig is giving after I bleached the knots, and I didn't really pluck the sides at all because this wig came pre-plucked, but I did pluck me a middle part. But it's actually really silky and it's giving bust down middle part, period. Don't mind my pajamas, like, don't mind it. So we're gonna get into the installing process. Y'all know the basics of how I install my wigs. It's pretty much the same every time, so I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, get everything right. If you guys want to know any information about this wig, it'll be down in my description. This wig is definitely giving, and I haven't even installed it yet. Definitely check this company out, and let's get into the installing process. I know you guys are like, Leah, so you're saying this hair is so amazing. Are you going to give us a discount code? Of course I am. I got you guys with a 15% off discount, and the code is OFF16. They are doing a Black Friday pre-sale from November 12th to November 18th. And remember, Sunber hair, all the information is in my description. You guys do not want to miss out on this sale. It is good quality hair, y'all. I am telling you. What I'm doing is pretty self-explanatory, but I am at this point laying down the lace into the dry glue. You want to make sure you lay everything down as best as you can. And sometimes I know it's hard to get your wig right in the middle, because for me it's hard, because it's like, how can I see in the middle? Like, the middle don't look like the middle to me in real life, you know. But yeah, I'm going ahead and I'm laying that down, making sure everything is secure, and then we're gonna move on to the next step. Now I am just setting the lace in with this elastic band. Y'all know I tell y'all every time, having an elastic band is a necessity to installing wigs. Now, if you have a blow dryer, that will work, but it's really good to sit under a dryer during this process so you don't have to sit there and hold the dryer. But I don't have one. So while the hair is still laying, well, while the lace is still laying, I'm just going in with my hot comb and just getting any like body wave hairs that I see that are not straight, and just making sure the hair is really laid. Baby hair time. So I usually don't do my baby hairs like this, but I decided to today. I'm just going in and making a little part where I want the baby hairs. I'm going to be doing 2 on the side and then another 2 at the bottom. And to lay down my baby hairs, I usually use Gorilla Snot, but I don't have any at this point, so I use Got To Be Gel. And I really wouldn't recommend that, but I'm not gonna lie, it did lay down my baby hairs, like, period. And I'm just taking the eyebrow shaver and cutting my baby hairs to the desired destination to the desired length, and then I'm swooping them. And this is the final look. I absolutely love this wig. Remember, this is Sunber hair in their body wave 26-inch 13x4 lace frontal. All the information is down in the description. Don't forget to give me a like and comment for more videos. I love you guys. See you later.